it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have an unboxing of the lovely Lavender January 2024 paper pumpkin kit. Loving the blue and the purple together. Okay, our Stampin' Spot this month is Gorgeous Grape. And the stamp set is Just a Little Something for You, Love, Happy Valentine's Day, with, and it looks like a lavender stamp. And we have dimensionals and linen thread. Here are the envelopes. You have two different patterns of envelopes. Love this crumb cake polka dot. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at this purple foil on there. So these are die cuts. So we have a tag. This would be great for making a window or a shaker card. And card bases, we have 4 of this pattern. So pretty. And some more die cuts with purple foil. Here's the other 4 card bases with that polka dot crumb cake colors. Purple die cuts, like a watercolor wash on there. Some more labels. Our glue dots. Foliage. 4 sheets of foliage. And the lavender die cuts. And this is a stamp case insert. I like that they've been adding that. There's 2 different styles of cards and tags. And then here are a few alternates, and our colors this month are Berry Burst, Crushed Curry, Garden Green, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Lost Lagoon, and Pretty Peacock. I love that little touch of blue. I can hardly wait to get started creating with this kit. Subscribe to my channel today so you don't miss the alternatives. Thanks for watching. Bye!